At the creek fishing.
Fish on.
Got one. Well, I'm getting one over there on mine too.
Fish on.
Look at it.
You got one.
Oh, dang, I snatched mine out of the water.
Fish on.
I'm trying to do it one-handed. There, got us a little flyer. There goes one. Oh.
Really?
Hold on there. Grandma's got her one too. Grandma. She caught her a little catfish. Alright. Grandma. She caught her one. A little river monster. Little 2-ouncer. And I caught me a little 1-ouncer. Got us another. Alright, there's a bigger one there. Yeah, alright. Got for another catfish. I think this is the catfish massacre today. So I go ahead and put him in there. There we go. Catfish. Oh, he's a pretty one. Oh yeah. Alright, go ahead and take him off of there. Here goes the little one I caught. He ain't even about as long as my fingers. Oh, dropped the 4-foot. That's another double. I got me a. Let me see if I can get this warmouth. A warmouth. Big mouth perch. Grandma got her another little catfish. That's another cat. Nice size, little fat gut. It's all good.
There's a roach.
And there's a roach. Kind of an invasive species. It usually eats brim eggs. So it's kind of not a good fish to keep. So if you got a pond, don't put them in there. Caught me another catfish. Nice little one. Alright, good day of fishing. We probably caught maybe 20 plus, maybe?
Yeah.
About 20 plus.
We're racking them up.
So it's been a good day. And she said it.